Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Dev Call. Today is July 29, 2024, and we continue to work on getting our Tellor layer testnet up. We are going to continue to work on getting that up, as well as getting some monitors in place before we open it to the public. And also, we've been testing the branch and the relayer and doing a bunch of other things to make sure that everything runs as smoothly as possible. We're also implementing some processes so that we can do upgrades eventually as smoothly as we can. So with that, let's get started with where we're at with, I don't know, Tim, do you want to start?
Yeah, so last week I built a relayer for Tellor layer, and that's just constantly grabbing Oracle data and signatures from layer and relaying it to an EVM chain. And that's how the Oracle data will be moved across to the user chains. So yeah, I've got a working version of that, added a lot of error handling. And then, yeah, I'm adding some more monitoring to that relayer itself, and then redeploying like the dependency contracts to for our new public testnet iteration. Yeah, so that's what I'm working on next.
All right. Dan has been really busy doing a lot of testing. How are we doing that there?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm working on code extension testing right now. Hopefully finish that up this week.
Awesome. For all of you that don't know, vote extensions are kind of a new feature for Cosmos SDK. There are a few other projects using it, including DYDX, but obviously since we're one of the first ones using them, we want to make sure that we really test those out, since they're an integral part of how Tellor is going to be working. In the future, they basically handle a lot of the attestations and will be basically how we'll be relaying information to other chains. And with that, Akram, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm working on the reporter package, trying to, I guess, create a pool that accepts transactions in order to avoid having being able to use the same account and avoiding sequence mismatch sequences like the nuns. But that's what I'm trying to figure out now.
Thank you. Ryan, how are you doing with the front end?
Good, yeah. I'm just working on the block explorer right now, and spent a lot of last week trying to just get it up so everybody could view it. And then now I'm working on just going down this list of monitors, kind of a wish list to make sure we can see a lot of the things that we want when Tellor layer is running. So got the voting power up, the total voting power monitor up. Now I'm working on the 5% threshold. That should be up soon.
Awesome. And we were all able to basically see the Block Explorer last week. I really like it. I prefer the light mode, but you know, there is a dark mode as well. So for anybody that likes that. Spuddy, how are you doing?
I'm in a totally different world in Python land, working on Telliot. A lot of our sources, well, subgraph sources in general, it's probably something that everybody's doing now, but like the Uniswap subgraph and a lot of other subgraphs updated to the decentralized version, where you have to like pay some GRT tokens to make requests. So I had to fix that in Telliot, and got it fixed. Just got to get the tests to pass.
Awesome.
I don't get along well with the tests right now.
Well, thank you, Spidey. We need those things running. As you all know, Tellor, as it is right now, is going to be running in parallel with layers. So all of these two systems will be kept up until we do a full transition, and all of our users are basically upgraded or functioning on by themselves, doing tips and things like that. But both of these things are going to be kept up to date in parallel for a while. Mike, welcome back.
Good to be back. Looking forward to checking out the Block Explorer, Ryan. Haven't got to yet. And if you want to stick around after the call and catch up on our end of stuff, that'd be great.
Yep. All right. Well, that's it for this week. See you all next week. Bye.